First, I open my Illustrator. Now open my drawing file. Then this opacity getter, then to less than. Now, make a rectangle shape, and this shape color remove and Ctrl press this shape for copy. Now, you use a line segment tool for it. Then this shape paste and some rotate. And again. Again, this small line, copy paste for shape some distance. Again, shape copy. And again, and some rotate. Now this all for select and use a shape builder tool. Oh, this some problem. Now, make a line. Okay, and then select and use a shape builder tool. Now other side for delete. Then shape corner some radius. It is very easy and simple, so you DP it. Oh, it's some problem, so I use a pen tool. Then left side shape convert small to large. Now use a shape builder tool. Okay, then this corner, some radius. Now, this shape for color selection. Now, I select a circle. This color remove and copy. Again, take a circle. Copy and use shape builder tool. Okay, now, Aegean for it. It's okay? Then this logo, some stroke, and use a shape builder and other side for remove. Now, you use a pen tool. Okay. Now this text, some modified. Second text, some stroke, it. Now you use a pen tool. S letter some stroke. Okay, this logo look beautiful. The video is end. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.